In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn banner on Canva. Let's start by opening Canva and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side and find the Create button. Click that, and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you'll see a search bar. Type in LinkedIn banner. Canva will now suggest different LinkedIn formats with various sizes and orientations. Look for the option called LinkedIn background photo with the size 1584 by 396 pixels. This is the recommended size for LinkedIn banners. Click it, and Canva will open a new design in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice that the templates panel is already open on the left side. This is where you can browse pre-made banner designs. At the top of this panel, there's a search field, which you can use if you have a specific style in mind, like minimal, corporate, or creative. Scroll through the options and take your time previewing them. When you find a template that matches your personal brand or the look you're going for, simply click it. Canva will automatically apply it to your canvas. Now you can start customizing the template so it feels unique to you. Begin with the text. Double-click any text box on the banner, and a text toolbar will appear along the top of the screen. Use this toolbar to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Type directly on the canvas to update the wording. You can also add new headings or subheadings using the text tab on the left. Aim for a short, clear message that someone can read in just a second or two. Next, adjust the visual elements. In the Elements tab, you can drag in icons, illustrations, shapes, or lines to support your message. If you want to use your own logo or a personal photo, go to the Uploads tab and drag your files into the design. Arrange everything so it looks balanced and professional. A really important detail to remember is your LinkedIn profile picture. On your actual profile, that photo will overlap the bottom left corner of your banner. To avoid covering anything important, keep your main text and key visuals in the center or towards the right side of the design. Overall, your banner should quickly communicate who you are, what you do, and your professional style at a glance. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG as the file type for a crisp, high-quality image and click Download. And that's it. You've created a custom LinkedIn banner in Canva, ready to upload to your profile.